in the shop, and we're going to show you how to make a simple home ballet bar out of PVC pipe, available at any hardware store, Jerry's, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever you like. Look at what we're going to build. Here's a shopping list for you. You're going to need two 10-foot sections of 1¼ inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. This is available at any of the hardware stores, Jerry's, Home Depot, Lowe's. It's much stronger than the regular pipe, so look for the Schedule 40 type. You'll need 4 T's, that's these guys, and 6 elbows, these, and then some glue to hold it all together and make it strong. Here's the cut list for your pipe. We're using our power miter saw for this, but you can use a little hand saw, hacksaw, anything you like. You'll need 2 pieces at 48 or 60 inches. That'll make it 4 feet wide or 5 feet wide. 2 pieces at 30 inches and then 6 pieces at 10 inches. You'll use 2 complete 10-foot pieces of pipe to cut out this list at 60 inches. First, we're going to build the bottom. Here's 2 of our 10-inch pieces. We want to make sure things stay straight when we do this, or we do it on a flat surface. Put glue inside the one end of the fitting and push this piece in until it stops. There's one. And this has to stay flat and straight. So again, inside the end of the fitting, push this in until it stops and make sure it's flat. Next one, in the end, push it in until it stops. Flat and straight. And the last one. There. So this ensures that things will be straight and flat and true when it's assembled. Now we're going to do the uprights. And here we want this to end up perpendicular to our feet. So we're just going to do this by eye. Good. Now our next 10-inch piece. Like so. And an elbow at the top. All right, now we're going to do the 2 crossbars to put the thing together finally. So we'll start with this bottom one here. And then the top one. To the other side. And try to do these both at the same time. so. And there we have it.
Ballet
One
bar.
homemade ballet bar.
Mm-hmm.